Hello and welcome to another update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently consolidating below the 111K level or 111.5K, which was one of the relevant resistance levels here on the Fibonacci ladder, but the market has been moving quite fast in the last 24 hours. So it could be it needs a bit of a breather, but overall still holding stable above Fibonacci support. I mean, what we're tracking here is this orange support area that so far has held, okay, and I see this as a potential internal wave 4 pullback. Now, this is really only first micro support, yeah. Breaking below it is not going to be super meaningful. It would probably change the microstructure a bit, but let's imagine the market breaks below it, then and holds above this red line, located at around 106,240. Well, it would be another 1-2 setup, okay? So we could be dealing with a series of 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setups. Kind of unrealistic because it would be super bullish, but possible. In theory, yeah, but we'll see if that plays out. I mean, overall, we have a first micro support area there to watch. The market already reacted to it, formed a local low, but the reaction that we've seen from the low was only in 3 waves, so I'm not convinced yet that this wave 4 is bottomed. Might be that we go down a little bit lower into this support area, but that is just trying to understand the nanostructures here. They can change really at an instant. But yeah, it's absolutely possible we go a little bit lower in this 4th wave. As long as we're holding the 109K level, the overall upside pressure can remain high. The 109K level is not only the 50% retracement of the last rally, it is also the top of the wave 1, so that is why it's quite meaningful. But please note that a break below that level, while it would be a first warning, I wouldn't say it's very meaningful, given that yesterday also we had a break below a first micro support level now, and then we rallied further. Now, a break below micro support is really always only a first indication that a top of sorts is formed, a local top, yeah, first of all, yeah, a local top. But a local top can mean anything. That just means that the direct upside momentum kind of comes to a halt. The bears are pushing the price down, but it might very well just be a short liquidation event. Like yesterday, that rapid up and down movement. I mean, I'm sure some long sellers were liquidated then, not long sellers, long traders, leveraged longs, right? That's what you often, find. Now, anyway, so far, micro support is holding. I just want to share with you what would be the key level below. So below that level, the next key level will be 106,240. If that level breaks, the focus will shift to this level as support at 104,200. To the upside, the next upside target I'm watching is sort of in the $114,000 to $115,000 area. Here between the 200% extension and the 223.6 extension. Ideal targets for circle wave 3. Then we can get a 4th wave and a 5th wave, and the market could grind higher like that to complete all 5 waves in the larger degree 3rd wave. Then we can get another 4th wave and another 5th wave. And that is the pathway to 130,000. This is, of course, the scenario if the market continues to hold support levels, specifically this one, first micro support. But I'd say even below that level, this yellow count could play out, but we would then obviously need to hold these previous swing lows. Once we break below swing lows, I'd say it's important to take a step back to see what happens, because it could just be the house of cards collapsing, right? And then we have several key levels indicated on the chart that could then be relevant. But for now, I think it's about watching to see how the market deals with this current correction. It's only a small pullback, more like a sideways correction, could even turn into a triangle. The levels are clear, next upside targets as well, so I keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.